Samantala, dinaluhan ni Pangulong Aquino ang East Asia Conference. Sa dito ay malakas ang kanyang loob na inihayag ang mga reformang ipinatutupad ng pamahalaan para lalong umangat ang ekonomiya ng bansa. Para sa detalye, balitaan mo kami, Elena Luna.
Napapanahon para kay Pangulong Aquino ang ganapin sa Pilipinas ang ikawadong East Asia Conference on Competition Law and Policy. Dumalo sa conference ang mga kinatawan mula sa 11 bansa. Bukod sa panong kasapi ng ASEAN, kasama rin sa conference ang mga kinatawan mula Japan, China, South Korea, Mongolia at Taiwan.
All of you are gathered here to talk about what can be done to create a fair, level playing field. All of you here are in some way subscribed to the idea that true inclusive economic growth can only be achieved by pursuing a healthy competitive environment, one that stokes the natural human drive to compete, to work hard, to innovate, and to create something of. Our administration is of the same mind.
Ibinahagi ng Pangulo ang mga reformang ipinapatupad ng pamahalaan para maging madali sa negosyante ang mamuhunan sa Pilipinas. Kabilang dito ang liberalisasyon ng airline industry at pagtatayo ng National Competitive Council sa pamumuno ng Department of Justice.
Apart from promoting regional and international cooperation, the office is tasked specifically to investigate and prosecute all violations of competition laws, enforce competition policies and laws to protect consumers, supervise competition and promote transparency and accountability in markets, and undertake studies and reports to guide the industry and consumers.
Ayon rin sa Pangulo, pinuputol na ng gobyerno ang red tape sa pagkuproseso ng mga kailangan sa negosyo gaya ng pagpaparehistro at pagbabayad ng buwis.
These policies, among others, makes it clear. The Philippine government and the Filipino people are fully committed to fostering a level playing field. We are doing this because it is one of the most critical pathways to economic growth. We are doing this because we know our entrepreneurs and our workforce have the work ethic and the creativity to succeed in any environment.
Taong 2004, unang ginanap ang East Asia. Ginawa ito sa Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia na siya ring host ng conference noong isang taon. Para sa Telebisyon ng Bayan, Elena Luna.